Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can fix this access expired, please renew your linked bank account on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now this usually happens if you didn't finish the process of linking your bank account to your Revolut account, and then you will just get this notification over and over again. So if you just bailed out in the middle of the process and decided not to actually link your two accounts, they will start sending you this email and notification. So what you can do here is, if you want to actually link your accounts, you can go ahead and continue with that. But if you bailed in the middle of the process and don't want to link them, you can just tap on details right here, then just scroll down to the bottom and then just tap on revoke right here. Then I will just confirm my decision. And now this account is removed. So essentially that's how you can remove or revoke access to your linked bank account on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.